Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2015 Chevy Sonic. Just did valve cover gasket. Did the thermostat housing. Now we're doing high side pressure hose. This hose right here connects there, connects to the condenser, goes down to the compressor. So this one was leaking right there at the fitting. Let me show you. See right here, all that oil right there, and it's green, which there's dye in the system. All right, so how we take this off? Got a couple screws, tabs up here. You don't need to take off the whole thing. I just got this portion over here and stuff like that. These are here to give this some flexibility. Take these off, take these off. Take off two Torx bits, one right here. Pull this out of the way enough we can get to it. You need to get to that 13 millimeter right there, and it's a two hose setup. So that 13 millimeter will come off. 13 millimeter right down there on the compressor, 13 millimeter right there, and you can squish it together, wrap it around a little bit, and pull it out through the top. Do the same thing. Put it back in, finagle it around, put it in, tighten, good to go. There's also a high side pressure connector on the bottom as well. You need to make sure that gets disconnected and don't pull that out. The new hose, since I got it as an AC Delco one, it does have the new high side pressure hose on there, so, or the sensor, so didn't need to worry about taking it out and all that. But other than that, put it in, evacuate the system, put a vacuum on it for about 10-15 minutes, get all the moisture and stuff out of it, put it back together, slap in some Freon, and away she rolls. Any questions, comments, feel free to let me know. Please like and subscribe.